Winter might be chilly, but your home doesn't have to feel that way. Imagine waking up to vibrant flowers brightening every corner of your space. Today, we're diving into 10 stunning indoor flowering plants that'll make your winter feel like spring. 1. Orchid. First up is the elegant Phalaenopsis Orchid, a showstopper with its delicate blooms that look like they belong in an art gallery. Orchids love a little pampering. Water them weekly, but make sure those roots don't sit in water. They thrive in bright, indirect light, so place them near a window with filtered sunshine. And here's a tip. They love humidity, so a spot in your kitchen or bathroom can do wonders. Who knew a plant could enjoy a spa day? 2. Begonia. Next, let's talk about begonias. These beauties are like the life of the party with their colorful, vibrant flowers. Keep their soil moist but not soggy, and they'll reward you with a burst of blooms all winter long. A liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks keeps them happy, and they love a bright spot away from direct sunlight. Begonias are so lively, they practically make winter feel like summer. 3. Cyclamen. Cyclamens are the winter warriors of indoor plants. Their delicate butterfly-like flowers sit atop heart-shaped leaves, creating a stunning display. They like their soil slightly moist and prefer cooler temperatures. Around 60 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect. Give them bright, indirect light, and don't forget to remove spent blooms to encourage more flowers. Cyclamens remind us that beauty thrives even in the coldest seasons. 4th. Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe is the low-maintenance buddy everyone needs. Its cheerful blooms in shades of red, pink, and yellow can last for weeks with minimal effort. Water it only when the soil feels dry and place it in a sunny spot. It loves soaking up the rays. A little fertilizer once a month will keep it blooming beautifully. This plant proves you don't need a green thumb to enjoy winter flowers. 5. Peacelily. Now here's a plant that's as calming as its name, the peacelily. With its elegant white flowers and lush green leaves, it's a classic choice for any home. Keep its soil slightly moist and place it in medium to low light. Bonus, it's also a natural air purifier, so it'll freshen your space while looking gorgeous. Talk about multitasking. 6. Chrysanthymum. Chrysanthemums, or mums, are like a burst of sunshine on a gloomy day. They thrive indoors during winter with bright, indirect light and regular watering to keep the soil moist. Feed them with a balanced fertilizer every couple of weeks, and they'll reward you with vibrant blooms in shades of yellow, red, and purple. They're like little cheerleaders for your winter blues. Are you loving these winter blooms? If so, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep your indoor garden thriving all year round. And let me know in the comments which plant you're adding to your wish list. 7. Christmas cactus. The Christmas cactus is a holiday favorite with its bright, tubular flowers that seem to celebrate the season. Let the soil dry out a bit between watering and place it in bright, indirect light. It's a low-maintenance plant that loves to bloom when the nights are longer, just like us curling up with a good book in winter. 8. African violet. African violets are timeless classics with their velvety leaves and charming purple flowers. They prefer evenly moist soil and bright, indirect light. A special violet fertilizer every month helps them bloom consistently. These tiny flowers pack a big punch of beauty for such a compact plant. 9. Jasmine. Jasmine isn't just beautiful. It fills your home with a sweet fragrance that instantly warms your heart. This climbing beauty loves bright light and moist soil. A liquid fertilizer every couple of weeks will keep it blooming. Imagine sipping tea with the scent of jasmine flowers around. It's pure winter bliss. 10. Gerbera Daisy. Last but not least, the Gerbera Daisy brings a pop of color that's hard to ignore. Its cheerful blooms thrive in bright, direct sunlight, so give it a sunny spot in your home. Water it regularly, but ensure the soil has good drainage. These daisies are the ultimate mood lifters for dull winter days. There you have it. 10 stunning indoor flowering plants to brighten up your winter. Did your favorite make the list? Or is there a hidden gem I missed? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow plant lover. Let's keep the joy of gardening alive even in winter.